Hi everyone, here's my other video on how to add a blockchain wallet into AEM Journaler. AEM Journaler has two key sections in the landing page for the wallets. One is for blockchain wallets, one is for exchange wallets that get added manually. Blockchain wallets sync to the live blockchain and they let you sync data up to 5 years back. What I need to do is go to my currency selector. From here, I pick the currency, I search for it. I go BTC, for instance, call it test, paste my wallet address, make sure it's correct. Otherwise, you'll find that a wrong address will not get pasted. So just triple check, or sorry, it won't get saved. And then from there you go save. It will take you to the pop-up screen telling you that it can take some time to sync. You go, okay, that was the address I've just added called test. I can always edit or delete the name of the wallet or just get rid of it from the list. Let's say one of my older wallets now that is in the list here, I can go into it and get the details. So just in terms of that delay to sync transactions, as it's fetching a transaction data, you can leave your session, return, and after that, it will still let you see it. So all of that got saved, but it's just syncing in the background. So let's say I've returned, I'm here now, I get my wallet transactions, and I can see, well, this wallet had one transaction. It gives me the details. I actually have various filters here as well. Soon those filters will change. They will improve with some of the financial year settings. Likewise, I can maybe take us to another wallet. Let's see this one. This has more transactions. It actually has a nice chart as well telling you what's happening. And another key thing is you could actually display different currencies. So you can see that actually changed everything to me to US dollar. I was before in AUD. I want to go back to AUD. I go, okay, here, I see the information and I like the way it's showing. So from here, I can go to the next step. And for example, I could export that data too. And it will ask me once again which wallet I wanted to see. And let's say I pick this one and I pick my date range. I'll load the data. Let's see, I'll go a bit further back. Okay, load. Okay, 5 minutes to load. Well, that actually was quicker than that. I got my one transaction here. I can select it. I know I'm in AUD. Could have been anything else. We list a few of the major currencies out there. We'll be adding more again in the near future. And you go into export. And that export will save a CSV file for you. And I can open it and show you what this looks like. And it gives me my transaction details. So wallet address, transaction amount, converted amount, a message for that message, that payment, the payer details. What do you do with that? Well, it tells you obviously how much you spent or received. And you can export that data onwards into, for example, your accounting system. And another cool feature is you can actually do it for more than one wallet or a few of them and load more transaction data here. And once you do that, it will actually let you see, let's see if this one had more data. Yeah, it did. And the nice, very handy little thing, you could select all, or you could select some of the transactions that you want to report on. And let's say I chose to do this in USD. I go export. And it does it for me once again. Okay, here I got it. And that's how you add, sync, and export your blockchain wallet data. Thank you.